You are currently living in the past. It sounds like a line from a science fiction movie, but it is a biological reality. Your brain takes roughly 80 milliseconds to process sensory information. This means by the time you actually experience a moment, that moment has already passed. Sharks have been swimming in our oceans for over 400 million years. To put that into perspective, sharks are older than trees. Trees didn't appear on the terrestrial landscape until about 350 million years ago. When astronauts return from spacewalks, they don't return smelling like nothing. Space actually has a very distinct, and frankly, delicious odor. Multiple astronauts have described the scent of outer space as a mixture of seared steak, hot metal, and welding fumes. Oxford University is actually older than the Aztec civilization. Teaching existed at Oxford as early as 1096. The Aztec Empire, however, didn't begin until the founding of the city of Tenochtitlan in 1325. That smell is actually a chemical compound called green leaf volatiles. When a plant is damaged, it releases these chemicals as a distress signal. You aren't smelling nature's perfume, you are smelling a chemical SOS broadcasted by millions of blades of grass. The Earth's core contains enough gold to cover the entire surface of the planet in a layer 1.5 feet thick. It's a glittering treasure chest that we are all walking on top of every single day, forever out of reach. A day on Venus, one full rotation on its axis, takes 243 Earth days. However, it only takes Venus about 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. This means that a day on Venus is actually longer than its entire year. Archaeologists exploring ancient Egyptian tombs have found pots of honey that are over 3,000 years old, and it is still perfectly edible. Honey is a self-preserving, eternal food source. If you find these facts fascinating, you're building the kind of curiosity that leads to true wealth and knowledge. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now to join our community of high-level thinkers. The average cumulus cloud weighs about 1.1 million pounds. That is roughly the equivalent of 100 elephants or a fully loaded Boeing 747. You are walking beneath millions of tons of water. You share about 50% of your DNA with a banana. Evolution is conservative, it keeps what works. The basic cellular functions that allow a plant to process energy are the same functions that keep you alive. Koalas have fingerprints that are so similar to human fingerprints, even under an electron microscope, that they have occasionally been confused at crime scenes. Nature has a funny way of repeating its best designs. Nintendo was founded in 1889. That means Nintendo existed at the same time as the legendary samurai were still a recognized social class in Japan. The bridge between ancient warriors and gaming is short. The blue whale's heart is so massive that a human being could swim through its primary arteries. Yet, despite this gargantuan size, a blue whale cannot swallow anything larger than a grapefruit. What is the color of the universe? Scientists have officially named it cosmic latte. It's not black, and it's not deep blue. It is a light, creamy beige. The universe is the color of a morning coffee. Our world is full of these hidden layers. If you enjoyed this journey, hit the like button and share this with someone who loves to learn. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, keep questioning everything.